decided to get a new CD player for the listening to when we're out camping and stuff. So I went with this little portable unit that's pretty neat. So first off, we've got earphones, but you don't even need them because there's also speakers built right into this unit. So let's go ahead and open it up, and we can see the controls are all around the outside. We've got the opening button. There's a hold, that's neat, a volume, the earphones. There's a USB-C. We've got the power, and then a card, so we can listen to the card as well. And we can open it up. That's where you put your CDs. No skipping in this model, and you've got speakers right there. All your controls are real buttons right on the front here, and you get a screen to show you what's going on. If we flip it over, we can see that it's a nice sleek unit. Has little stuff so you can set on the table. Hope this helps.